Well, hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we're going to do a little oil change. So we're going to see what kind of nasty oil comes out of this sweet little thing. First we'll check the oil. I haven't changed the oil in this little thing, and oh, that's not good. We're a little over full. That means there's only one thing that could be getting in it. Gasoline. So it kind of smells of gasoline. Well, let's not run this anymore and let's get this oil out. There we go. We got her cracked. For a freshly rebuild, I don't like the fact that, well, I say fresh rebuild, I mean it's been quite a while. 5 years on that rebuild. So get this gassy oil out of here. Oh, okay. Draining that. It doesn't feel very thin. Just a plug. Yeah, smells like gas. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change it. I'm gonna put the required amount of oil back in it, and hopefully we don't have no more gas issues getting into the oil. I suspected that because when I was getting this thing running, the float was set too much before I drilled the jet out, and the float was set too high, and I knew that gas was overflowing down the intake and down into the motor. So that led me to the fact wanting to change the oil. Of course, I had that in the back of my mind, but what I did after it was doing that, I reset the float back down. So hopefully we shouldn't have any more gassy issues going back into the oil. So that's the plan. We don't know how that plan's gonna work, but that's the plan. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Ooh. Yeah, little gassy. Ugh. It's not good. Ugh. Well, we're gonna use a shirt as a rag. So that's black gold right there. That's what's keeping this engine alive. And I'm gonna sift this and see if we have any shavings or anything coming out of this thing, but that's what we got so far. Let's see if I can try to get the filter out this thing. Oh, I don't know if this thing has a filter. Again, I'm not a VW expert.
I'm on it.
She's on it?
Something went wrong.
What?
Let's try again.
Siri's talking. Oh, shit. Now I gotta find out where the filter's at. I don't know. Damn it. So after I got educated on YouTube and feel like a dummy, this thing does have an oil filter. I knew it had one, but I'm thinking of the old cartridge type. But again, this is an air-cooled motor, and You can see this plate and ring that I'm taking off, which is very loose. That might be a problem why I'm having a little oil leak, drippage from it. But yeah, this is the oil filter. Why not do things the right way? We got a washer on that one. Oh. Pull the plate slowly. Okay. Yes. Oh, brand new. Cool. Okay. Let's take a look at that in the sun. Oh, this thing is nice. Brand new. Brand new. Oh, that's brand new. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna put this all back together and go get some oil. Cool. Alright guys, I'm sorry that it's so dark in here when I'm working outside, but that's what we got going on. These bolts, these cap screws or these cap nuts are a pain in the ass to put in, especially with the little brass washers they give you with it, or that came with it, should I say. They're not very fun to do. So I'm gonna put a little torque on them, not a lot because I got a big ratchet, and they didn't seem to have no torque on them at all, so that's probably why I got that little oil residue on the bottom of the motor. Of course, if you don't want it over tightened, I can just feel where it should be. I've been doing this quite some time with working on cars. So alright, smashing everything down. I'm gonna over torque again. Probably use a funnel. Probably be the smarter thing to do. Well, she's golden. I'm assuming that's 3 quarts. So we're gonna put 3 quarts and check it. In fact, let's make sure and see how many quarts a VW Bug takes. Good old Google. .2 quarts. I was close. So 3 quarts technically. 3.2 actually. There's 3. Done. Let's see. Oh, we on the mark at 3 quarts. I think I'm gonna run it. I'll run it at 3 quarts and see. decent. Still cold. Gotta get that oil working around. Ugh. Well, the next thing we're gonna do is see where we're having contact into the frame of this muffler. So I'm just gonna kind of trim this back. See why I want to put a whole lot of money in this thing. I'm not trying to go for a concourse rebuild. Sounds better though. Let it warm up. Oh, and another thing I forgot to tell you folks. Can you believe I did not have this item that I'm about to unload out my car? Where have I been? I have all kind of stuff, but I have not had this item. That's dumb. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, that was heavy. Yes. A floor jack. I was tired of freaking jacking that car up with a little bottle jack. So now I got me a Pittsburgh heavy duty 3-ton jack. And you can get these jacks at your local Harbor Freight store. They were on sale for I think around, I want to say $109. And it cost me like $120, something like that. I didn't buy the whole expensive one. This is all I need. So let me see. Actually, let's see together what we have. Of course, we got tape on it. My back's been hurting me lately. I think that's a sign of old age. Whoa, nice and red. Pretty. Pretty. I don't think we need that. Can you imagine instructions on using a jack? Put the pipe in. Turn clockwise to tighten. Jack up and down. Be careful, do not hurt yourself. Ugh. Oh, I finally got my own. Ooh, that little booger's heavy. Oh, that's so much nicer. Okay. Put a little bracket so it wouldn't move. Yeah, get over there. Oh, look, got a little bolt you gotta tighten. Plain and simple, so that don't come out. Push lock pin. It's nothing fancy, it's just a jack, folks. Yay! Turn to tighten. Let's see if we can jack this car up. I gotta jack some. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Oh. Ah. Ah, that's so much better. How high you want to go? So, as y'all don't know, I had my old bottle jack, and it was ridiculous on how I was fighting it. I was going back and forth, blocking, jack standing, just to get one side of the car up, just enough so I could take the tire off, which wasn't even going high enough. So I had it high enough to even take the tire off, actually. Now you can see that we have full clearance with this jack. And I shouldn't be excited about this, but I am. One, because it's red, and two, I'm picking the whole car up with ease. And again, I shouldn't be excited about that because it's only a jack, but I am. So now we see what we got. Cool, right? So next thing that we have to do is get the tires. I got some tires and rims coming for this thing, and I'm gonna take the back off, and then we're gonna inspect the brakes while we have it off. So I'm gonna stop the video partake on right now, and we're gonna continue on when tires and rims come in. So